good day, Ma'am Diana Rose. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, good day, Mom. I am Diana Rose Antinera Salinas. I'm 33 years old, married, and I'm living here in Bangantinawan. I have 3 children.
Alright. And then, what is your educational attainment? Are you a high school graduate?
Yes, I am a high school graduate.
Okay. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have siblings, 2 sisters and 2 brothers. I am the second of the family.
Okay, thank you. And then, how would you describe yourself?
I am very cheerful, honest, and I'm a kind person, and I'm willing to learn new things. I love taking care of my children and also adult.
Okay, thank you. And then, why do you want to apply abroad?
Because I have a goal in life, and I have a dream to have my own house, build a house for my family, for my children, to have a saving so they can finish their school.
Alright, good. And then, do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, I have worked in Saudi Arabia.
Okay, so do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, Mom, I'm finished working abroad in Saudi Arabia. I worked there almost 2 years and a half.
Alright. So, can you tell me your job duties and responsibilities being a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia?
My duty in Saudi is main duty is taking care of children and do household chores, cleaning house and laundry, ironing,
Okay.
and also cooking.
Alright. So, do you know how to cook Saudi cuisine or dishes?
Yes, a basic Saudi cuisine.
No, alright. So, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, Mom, I will.
Okay, so how would you take care of naughty children or children with temper tantrums?
I stay calm and patient to them and talk to them in a nice way.
Okay, so how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I always check the baby if the diaper is full or if the baby is hungry and if the baby are hot or not.
Okay, so what will you do if you become homesick?
If I'm homesick, like when I was in Saudi, I listening music and do the household chores to make myself peace.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
Honestly, a little bit scared.
Okay, so how do you describe your cooking skills? Alright, so did you know how to cook Filipino dishes?
Yes, I know how to cook, like adobo, menudo, caldereta.
Okay, so do you know how to cook basic cuisine in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, I know how to basic Saudi dishes, like kabsa, biryani, and simple salad and desserts.
Alright, so do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have food allergy.
Alright, so do you eat everything?
Yes, I'm not a freaker. Good food.
Alright. So, do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad? Alright, so do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, so do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Very honest.
Alright. So, do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes.
Do you drink alcohol? How about smoking?
No.
Okay, so do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
I have a history of surgery.
Alright, so what kind of surgery?
It's a cesarean section when my baby is born.
Alright, in in what year?
In 2012, oh no, 2016, 2018, and 2021.
Okay. So, are you willing to share a room with the children?
Yes, I'm good.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am, I'm good.
Okay. So, are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, I'm good.
Alright, for the last question, Ma'am Diana Rose, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hello, ma'am, sir. Again, I am Diana Rose Salinas, living here in Adbangan, Binangon, Rizal, Philippines. I am 33 years old. I have 3 kids and I have 4 siblings. I hope you hired me. I am very kind person, honest and a cheerful and friendly person. I hope you hire me. I hope we see you soon. Thank you very much and